Hello everyone, and welcome back to Keepsakes by Patty Cakes. This is Patty, and I just want to welcome you if you're a new subscriber, and also welcome back my subscribers. I deeply appreciate you all very much. Today I just wanted to share this with you because we all make tassels for our junk journals, and I've been receiving this subscription for a year or two now, and I previously made jewelry and micro macrame jewelry, so I thought maybe this might be helpful to some of you who like to use beads and things for your junk journals. But this is also a great subscription if you are a beginner in jewelry making, or just want to try it out. So this subscription is called the Bargain Bead Box, and each month they have a theme, and this month is spring rain, and so each month it's different colors and different colors of findings. It says, with rich aqua colors and antique copper findings, this month's collection evokes the refreshing rejuvenation of gentle spring rains. Highlights include bold agate drops and a full strand of tiny faceted apatite rounds with a palette of aqua glass, crystal, and gemstone beads in a variety of textures and finishes. And then they also give you a 30% off coupon at their site called Bead Box Bargains, which is their sister store, and they'll give you a coupon code, and you can use that to get that percentage off. They also have a contest each month where you can be entered to win a $25 certificate to the Bead Box Bargains, and what you do is you can share a photo of your creation featuring the beads in the shipment that you received that month with them on Facebook, and it gives their Facebook account too, which is facebook.com/bargainbeadbox. Or you can send it via email to the address that they provide to you. And then on the back, they have a shipment identification key, which tells you everything that's in your packet. And as you can see, it's an approximate total retail value for this shipment is $68, and that's for $17.95 a month plus your 30% off coupon code. So what I will do is I'll just show you what I received this month, and I haven't seen it yet. I'm just opening it with you today. And it comes in this little bag, which these always look so pretty in. And then they have them numbered. So when you look at your shipment identification key, it tells you what each thing is. So what I'll do is put them over to the side here, and I will show you each one and tell you what they are. So I don't have these put in order since I'm just seeing this with you today, but let me just flip them around real quick, and then I'll show you what they've sent. And also, if something is missing in your order, all you have to do is contact them, and right away they'll ship it out, if that would happen. And I think that only happened to me one time, where they sent me double of one item and not of the other, and they sent me the item immediately, and then also let me keep the item that they had sent. So the first item that they sent is a 36mm teardrop Chandelier Focal, and it's on one side, and we have 4, 5, 6, 7 loops where you can hang things from. So I'll just put that here. Okay, and number 2. Find it here. Okay, I'm not finding it. Here it is. Oh, no, that's 20. Sorry. Okay, and number 2 is 1 meter of 3 by 2 millimeter steel jewelry chain and an antique copper. So you can use this, you know, to make dangles, to make a necklace, and all the findings each month match. So just put that there. Number 3 is 2 pieces of 30 by 21 millimeter fancy shield links. Oh, these are pretty, and they're double-sided. So you can attach it at the top, and then you have this to attach something dangling from it. And then you get 2 of those. These are pretty hefty too. Number 4 is a 25 by 15 millimeter faceted Aqua quartz teardrop pendant. Boy, is that pretty. And you do get, you know, semi-precious gemstones each month in these too. I've received all kinds of different ones. That is beautiful. And 5 is 4 pieces of 26 by 17 millimeter chandelier findings. So as you could see, you can use these on your dangles too and hang things from them. Or you can make earrings, you know. So they send you, you know, pretty much all the basics, except for, you know, it doesn't have the little rings that we use. Oh my gosh, why can't I think of them? It's just out of my mind. Sometimes they do. But the little round connectors, and it's just out of my mind, but you know what I mean, I think. Number 5 is, where did it go? I just saw it. Oh, that was 5 from 6. I'm so sorry. Okay, number 6 is 10 pieces of 13.5 by 10.5 millimeter pressed glass leaf charms in aqua ombre. Oh my goodness, those are gorgeous. I hope you can see that on there. They're so pretty. Wouldn't these look so gorgeous hanging off your junk journals? Wow. Really nice. Okay, 7. If I can find it here. Here we go. 7 is a 6-inch strand of 6.5 millimeter top drilled glass rondelle beads in aqua shimmer. Wow, look how pretty those are. Those are also gorgeous. And then 8 is a 7-inch strand of 4 by 3 millimeter crystal rondelle beads in frosted aqua. And these all coordinate so well. Okay. That was 8. Number 9 is a 10-gram bag of 15.5 millimeter Dagger Drops. which are these. If you can see them there. And then the hole is here. Hopefully you can see that. Those are so pretty too. Then, let's see, 10 is 12-piece strand of 10 millimeter matte stripe crystal round beads in blue, green, iris. Oh, look how pretty those are. So sparkly, look at that. Okay. 11 is a 14-inch strand of 2 millimeter finely faceted natural apatite gemstone round beads. These are really, really tiny, but beautiful. Okay. 12 is a 2-piece 16 by 8 millimeter handmade porcelain oval beads in spring rain. Oh, these porcelain are so pretty. In the aqua colors. Number 13 is 10 pieces of 12 by 6 millimeter crystal teardrop briolet beads in teal champagne. Oh wow. These are absolutely gorgeous too. I'm just loving the colors this month. Each month it's different colors, of course. They just sparkle so much. Okay. Then number 14 is 10-gram bag of 5 by 4 millimeter fluted rondelle beads. So I'll just take out a couple of those. And you get all of these. Look at that. These are awesome. It's always a good staple. Okay, number 15 is 5-piece 32 by 38 millimeter, agate top drill drop beads in crackled aqua. Oh wow. Those are so pretty. Oh my goodness. Those are gorgeous as well. I can't get over this month. It's so pretty. Okay, so we're on, is that 15? We're on 16. 16 is a 10-inch strand of 6 millimeter stardust textured round glass beads in blue-green metallic. Wow. So pretty. Just love that. Got little sparks in some of them. Wow. Okay. Number 19 is 3 sets of 25 by 14 millimeter teardrop toggle clasps. And these are really nice to have too. And actually, I've used these for my dangles. I actually put this on the inside of the spine and had the chain coming off of that through the hole. So this stops it, and I had my, dangles hanging from that. So that's a little idea there. Okay, number 17 is 50 pieces of 7 millimeter teardrop drops. Okay. Oh, okay. These are so tiny but cute. But these are also used, well, what I used them for was on the end of the extender chains when you make a necklace. and you want to have a little bit of, you know, space to make your necklace longer, but you can also use those as beads as well. Okay, number 18 is 50 pieces of 5.5 millimeter bumpy star bead caps. Oh, these are cute. I hope you can see those. But they would go really well on the tops of this size bead. They're really tiny. Those are always nice to have too, when you're making your little dangles for, you know, off the side of your junk journal on the little pins. They're nice to put on the ends of beads for that. So now we're on 19, which is 3 sets of 25 by 14 millimeter teardrop toggle clasps. These are cute. They look like little fans. Oh, this is 20. Yeah. Fan chandelier links. I don't know if I said that. 4 pieces, 17 by 16 millimeter chandelier links, yes. So you could hang stuff from these holes as well. Oh, you know, it's so funny. I didn't even know the color, and it matches my nails today. That's awesome. Okay, number 21 is a 7-inch strand of 6 millimeter crackle agate round beads, light aqua. These are very pretty too. You got your different colors of browns and aquas in there, creams. That's so pretty. With a crackle glass. And last but not least, a 14.5-inch strand of 8 millimeter quartz round beads, aqua waves. This is beautiful. These are permanently dyed beads. Those are gorgeous. So that is it, and I'll list down below. The name again is the Bargain Bead Box, and I'll put a link to their site. And I thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and you know, maybe you might be able to use some of these in your junk journal making, or even making jewelry if you're interested in that as well. So I hope everybody's doing good, and I hope you all have a good day. Bye-bye. See you in the next one.